Look at this beauty. Feels so good, everybody. I mean, after so much struggle waiting consolidation in the last couple of hours, 26 Shiba Inu from having $11,000 down, being exposition 1 billion Shiba Inu portfolio. It is my honor and distinct privilege to tell you that we are not only 4,000, let me show you. $4,000 down because we bought the dip when I show you that my trading position, last one for Shiba Inu, was in the very pits of hell, under 20 at 19 and now 25. Guys, yes, I'm happy. Don't go anywhere, guys. Go ahead and smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells, Shiba Inu holders. We are extremely happy here, Oscar Live, because we understood the basics. The Bitcoin halving has been completed, fulfilled, done. It's over. Now let's go to the next page. And that next page is the upcoming Bitcoin bull market altcoin season. That's going to happen in the next 8 to 12 months. We're still waiting for that. But I can tell you guys, let's go ahead and do some TA. Let's go ahead and do some analysis as far as what's going on. Why is the price pumping right now? Well, sometimes it's just due time. I'm going to go to X in a little bit and see if there's something else. But just saw the price 26 as I was enjoying my Saturday morning and afternoon here, guys, in the US. And I'm sure that you guys are so excited. But let's just take a look at this for a second. Like, so many people like me, guys, like myself, we bought that dip, that fear, that struggle, that pain, that blood on the street. We did it, guys. Why? Because we knew that Shiba Inu, the only reason it dumped was because of Israel and Iran conflict. When they bombed Israel with drones, this is what happened, guys, right? Then this was the consolidation prior to the halving, and now we're seeing that just people want to go ahead and say, let's go ahead and explode to the moon, and that's what we're seeing right now on the screen, everybody. For now, 2.30 trillion market cap. Flock is the one winning. Bunk is the one winning. Pepe, Shiba Inu in the last couple of hours, they are basically green. Obviously, when you've been down for a while, any chance that you get in the green, people will use it to sell. People will use it to, get some profits. Guys, it is also happy to tell you that we are way past the $50,000. If you go back maybe 3 days ago, that was like close to $43,000. So we're just adding more capital, guys, because we're obviously not selling at a loss, and we are waiting for those big profits to come. And I mean, for now, I'm also so happy I added to my jasmy position. I told you, now $500,000. Bread is doing decent. Shiba Inu is doing this, $25,000. So this is gonna be $30,000 once it's said and done. Back when I'm, back again even. And from there, we're going to be continuously pushing. As soon as I go 5 more to 30, that's it, guys. That's basically what it's going to be. So we're really happy right now, guys. I think there's a lot of people looking at this in the 15 minutes chart using my Lux Algo indicator. First link down below. Heavily recommend you take a look at it because there's a lot of people wanting to do trading, and especially in this upside, where I think a lot of people are like, can I trade this? And yes, you can trade it. So Lux Algo is going to give you the pains, it's going to give you the buy and sell indicators that I think they help a lot of people. And right here, we still don't have the sell indicator, right? So there's a lot of opportunities that you can get, even if you can go much higher in the price. I think that's going to be really good. For now, the price of Shib in the 1 hour candle, we're looking at well above the Neo Cloud, which means that our job, let me go ahead and bring an arrow, is to not pass over the Neo Cloud. As you can tell right here, we passed down the Neo Cloud, and it was a challenge to get back up. We came down, we get back up, but finally we are completely and ultimately destroying that price structure. For right now, we had a symmetrical wedge, which was pretty nice, built from the 13th of this month. Right now is the 20th, so it's been a week. 1 week since the price of Shiba Inu collapsed. And I think what the price wants to do right now is to get back up. And the level that we need to see is basically close to it. We got to be at the 27. So we were really close. We were extremely close from the 27, but that just tells me one thing, guys. There's already whales trying to get in. There's already whales trying to get in. This doesn't happen just all of a sudden. A lot of people are just basically deciding, you know what? The Bitcoin halving was much better than expected. Let's just come in and start pumping the price of Shiba Inu a little bit higher, right? So if we go to X, I was, out and about with the fam, and I tweeted this one: Shiba Inu is waking up. Glad I got my 1 billion Shiba Inu ready. There's a lot of people, right, saying I have 65, I have 3 billion. That is not enough for you. Like, I think we all have a different idea of what we're gonna do with our Shiba Inu, guys. For now, the grid is coming up back again. That was 50, if you remember yesterday. It was 50. Now we're back at 66. So I think it's good news overall where things are heading. But for now, I think we're seeing the last 1 hour. Let's go ahead and bring it. Basically, the meme coins are the ones that are coming back up once again. Dog we've had, Bonk, Shiba Inu, we have it somewhere there. So we got to be paying a lot of attention, right? Let's go to the crypto bubbles to understand. Floki is the one rallying and doing really, really well. Shiba Inu should be right here at 12%. So after post-halving, right, the 24 hours, we're still waiting for the 24 hours post-halving, but it all looks really well. It all looks phenomenal because we had blood. And after looking at all different Bitcoin maxes, they're calling for more altcoin bleeding. Let me ask you something. Do you think we're going to be getting more altcoin bleeding? Shiba Inu pillow, Shiba Inu shirt, I'm all for bleeding if that's what ultimately happens, because we want to get in the blooding, the ultimate lowest price, as we know the altcoin season is going to come later on. Guys, so eventually things are going to get much better and our positions are going to do what we know, and that is making us a lot of money. So right now, Shiba Inu is retesting, like I'm telling you, it's retesting, it's trying to continue running, it's trying to continue pumping. We'll see what happens at the end of the day, but I'm so happy that today, starting at 10 a.m. on the 20th, the price of Shib is giving us a nice 16% overall, and I applaud that. It's basically the beginning to go back to 30 and make me all the money I need, because that's just the stepping stone to the all-time high and much better prices. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below, and I'll see you next time. Big things ahead. Don't forget to jump in on the boat right now while it's early. And every time you see a fall, sell-off, a collapse in the price, don't run to the hills. Get in the mud, because that's when you become rich. Peace.